What's up, guys? In today's video, we are playing Animal Company on my new channel. You better subscribe. Alright, today we're going to be killing that chicken and getting the chicken egg. And we're here with Brayden! Alright, let's go. Let's see what type of weapons I have in my bag. I have a ray gun. That's alright.
One weapon.
Alright, just buy a grenade. I need to buy.
Here, take this.
Oh, looks like I can put this in my bag. Take a grenade from here. Alright, let's go
let's
kill
go.
the chicken. We killing the babies or we killing the papa?
We're killing Papa.
Killing papa boy. And guys, you better subscribe. I'm stuck. And this is my first video, so yeah, please subscribe. Oh, here, it looks like here you got it. Get the chicken egg, it will sell for a lot of money.
Let's go.
Guys, and I play this
Wait,
game
pick
a
up
lot.
all the
This is
stuff in
how
here.
much money I have. If you haven't tried this game out yet, get it. It's called Animal Company. I got whoopee cushion. Yay!
Alright, let's go.
Guys, I'm gonna eat the fart whoopee cushion in the void. Did you just see that? Oh my god.
I found
there's
a threesome of chickens.
Oh yeah, it's the kids. We gotta get the kids, bro.
Holy cow, that's a lot of meat.
Eat all this meat. Get the chicken.
Good.
You guys want an apple? Psych! Alright, I'm gonna shoot an apple at. It's floating. I hear the turkeys. Where did you go?
I'm selling it.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna... Oh my!
Do you have anything else? Do you have anything?
No. I don't.
Alright.
There's a big board of fan art. You can join their Discord right here. Just some really good. Alright, I have this much money from Haunted Mansion and Sewers. That Sewers is over there, and Haunted Mansion you go through there and you just go straight.
Alright.
What should we do next?
What are we doing?
We kill the babies.
Yeah, let's kill the babies.
Hulk smash or crowbar? I think the viewers would rather have Hulk smash.
Yeah.
I should have two Hulk
I'm gonna
smash.
Two holes.
Smash, smash.
Whoa, you wanna smash me, boy?
Where are these baby chickens at?
Ah!
Oh!
Got him.
Who will win the fight? Oh! My tummy. How am I not hitting him? You guys saw that? Got him. Come here, boy. Alright, let's actually kill these chickens.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! He have weebies!
Kill it.
He have weebies! He have weebies!
Ah!
Yacht! 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 That kid got yacht. He just teleported through the tree. Bro, I'm chasing this chicken to the sewing machine. His mouth is humongous. Come here, you chicken. Oh yeah, and guys, if you want to know how to get a Halo hat, I think you're supposed to just write a 5-star review, comment it, and then like maybe a couple days later, this will be in your inventory, or right away, straight away. Then you just go to scroll, and then a hat. Then you should look, and then you should see it, and then you can just put it on. Just got shocked. Where did you go? Hello? Looks like I'm here by myself. Now, if you guys enjoyed that, you're gonna very much enjoy next video. Smash out